Alright, this is how to do a spark plug change on a BMW 328i, or it really doesn't matter. So there's gonna be 2 bolts here, or caps. You just pop the caps off, 1 and 2, and then there's 2 bolts. You take the little bolts out. You have to take this off to get this plastic piece off. It'll expose the coil packs and the spark plugs. So go ahead and take the bolts out here. Bolts are weird, but if you get them all the way off, you can just pop this thing off and it'll hold the bolts too. Take this thingy off. Now that this is off, you can see I just put the bolts there, but here's the coil packs and the spark plugs. So we're finna get the wrenching away. So if you see on this side, there's this little wire here. So there's 2 screws on there. You have to take these 2 bolts out and this pops out. There's a clamp here. It's super easy to pop off. I normally just grab from the bottom and it pops up like that. And you slide it out. It's super simple. So once you get that popped out, then these pop right out. Make sure you keep the bolts together, and make sure you close this cap so that way nothing falls into your motor. Then you won't have a car to drive, so it's never good. And don't do this when your car is hot. You already know. I got this little metal bowl here to hold all my bolts. This is a coil pack. You guys look inside the motor. There goes your spark plugs. Those are platinum NGKs. I gotta rip those bad boys out. Just straight twist. Very simple. I usually just pop this thing off. You can give it a hand twist. Pop right out. Do one by one so you don't get confused too. There we go. This is the fun part. You have to fish it out. There we go. Oh yeah. These spark plugs are toast. So we're going with these NGK G-Power spark plugs. I have no idea. Dude just gave it to me, so looks like dude forgot to put it in there, and I don't have any. So hopefully, I just want to see if this fixes my problem, and if it does, I'm not too worried about it. So we'll see. Hand tight. From here, you'll want to repeat the process all the way down the line. Take a spark plug out, put a new one in. Take one out, put one in. Coil packs come out, spark plug goes in. All the way down. And also, just a little side note, once you get to spark plug bank number 6, it's going to give you some troubles with the long extension. Just take your extension off and you should have no problem getting it. Alright, so I got the last coil pack done. And spark plug. I'm just gonna tighten this bad boy back up. I do not have a torque gun as you see here, so I don't know the exact rating that I'm torquing these to, which is probably not damn good, but it's been driving this long, so I'll trust it. Alright, that's good enough. Not too tight. You don't want to strip the inside of your motor out. Collect all your tools, and then you're gonna just basically, it has a little clip right here. This pops up and down. That's how you get it off. You pop it from this side, pop it up, and you can put your coil pack in. It's only 2 bolts for each one. This is the only tricky one because it has this guy here. So you want to tighten, unloosen this guy, and make sure you put it back, or else your car going to start funny and it's going to drive weird. So slide that back in there like that. Get this bad boy. There's also another one just like this. Put it back here. Yep, so there's 2 bolts on each one, like I said, so we'll go ahead and slap these bolts back in. So the GoPro died, but we're wrapping it up with the coil pack and spark plug swap. You guys seen what to do, it's very simple. You just pop these bad boys out and put the spark plug. So now we're gonna put the cover back on and crank her up, and you guys know that she works, because I know she works, but you guys gotta know, right? So let's take this bad boy off. Alright, everything looks good. Alright, let's give her a crank up. Alright. think it's from a major exhaust leak from the headers. Don't be worried about my motor. And also, do not unplug your mass airflow sensor while your car is running. I did it because I know my car and my mass airflow sensor is bad. The mass airflow sensor sounds okay. Trial and error. I drove the car a good 36 minutes. I can show y'all on the GPS. I'm not capping, bro. It's literally 36 minutes, which is ironically funny, okay? But we drove it that far and it's not doing the little idle thing anymore. My bad, y'all. Camera cut, but thanks for watching this video. And just know you can do this thing anywhere, man. You can do spark plugs, coil packs anywhere, change your oil, you name it, So check out my channel for more, babe. Thank y'all for watching.